channel. Today we are going to study chemistry. Our topic is difference between compounds and mixtures. First of all, we are going to know about compounds. What is compounds? How can we define as? So, a pure substance which can be decomposed into simpler substance by some suitable chemical methods. A compound is formed by combination of two or more elements in a different proportion by mass. For example, water is a compound of hydrogen and oxygen elements, and these elements are present in water in the ratio of 1:8. We can also say 1:8 as 1:8 by mass. Now, what is mixture? Most of the substances in our surroundings are not in their pure form and are called mixture. Substances which are made up of two or more matters and which can be separated by physical methods. These are known as mixtures. What is the difference between compound and mixture? This is our main topic and we are going to start this topic. The difference is that in compounds have a melting point or boiling point and etc. Such as water has the boiling point which is 100 degrees Celsius. But in mixtures do not have a melting point or boiling points and end points. This is our first difference. And our second difference is that compounds are always formed in fixed ratio. As you know that water is a compound and which has a ratio of 1:8 by mass. That means we have a fixed ratio, that is 1:8. But in mixture forms in any ratio. We add any we mixture forms in any ratio, so we can also add anything in mixture by any ratio. This is our second difference. And our third difference is that in when compound form, the constituent element lose its properties. This is our main difference, and this is the main topic. I mean, when compound formed, the constituent elements lose its property. What are you understand? Such as H2O is a compound, and when compound is formed, that means the constituent elements is hydrogen and oxygen. So hydrogen is a combustible substance, as you know, and oxygen is the supporter of combustion. But when we mix it together, then it forms water, and water is neither combustible or not supporter of combustion. That means hydrogen and oxygen lose its property when it is formed. But in mixture, the constituent element do not form its property, do not loses its properties. That means when salt and water are mixed, then salt, that means NaCl, do not lose its property. Salt is always in the it is always is in the taste, its own taste, and water, that means H2O, is in form. Now our fourth difference is that compound can separated by chemical method only. We can always separate these compounds like H2 again by chemical methods. That means we can separate this as by chemical method. We cannot separate this by physical methods. That means by filtrations we cannot separate. But mixtures can be separated by physical methods only, such as mixture of soil and water. We can separate this by filtration process, that means by filter paper, because the particles of soil are big and which are filtered in filters paper easily. So this is our difference between compounds and mixture. So if you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe my channel.